Hi, welcome back to Darkwolf Studio. Today I am showing how to download and install Luts and presets of Darkwolf VFX Studio. First step, go the link of our website I given in the description. Now enter the editing desk section. Here you can see almost all editing applications tutorials. Here select the FCP option and enter that page. Here you can see this link, My Luts Pack 1. Click that and it will start downloading. After that you can browse it in Finder. Now copy these 10 LUTs.
Command plus A for select all. Command plus C for copy the LUTs.
Now open Final Cut Pro, and let's create a new preset section. Just do like this.
Now, add something to FCP timeline. Then click on this button. Save effects preset. Here type a name whatever you like. I gave a name blue. Now select a category. That should be a new category named as My LUTs. Click on Create button. Now tick any of this. This purpose just for finding the reveal folder of presets. Save it.
Now come to the effect section. There you can see
My LUTs category.
Now right click on the file. Select the second option, reveal in Finder. Now paste our LUTs preset here. Go back to FCP. You can see the LUTs there. In case it is not appear, just ray close and reopen Final Cut Pro. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.